Right, so I thought I'd show you some of the illuminations that's on the front here between Central Pier and the tower. So as you can see, the tower all lit up, and then we've got Odyssey right in front of me as well. So let's take a look, shall we? Right, so this is Odyssey. It's a light show, like an alien figures light show with fog. Tower sparkling away. Even Coral Island. Lit up. So you got these bubbles as well. They all go different colours as well. So you got two of these. And then you got the tunnel in front. And you got this new one for the year. It's got the donkeys and the ice cream saying Blackpool on it. So that's the new one for this year. And then you've got the Blackpool sign, which I'll quickly take you to. But yeah, I thought I'd just do this quick video to show you like the illuminations that's on front. But yeah. So yeah, of course, got the Blackpool sign. But yeah, and then the tower, of course. I'll take you through the tunnel. Yeah, I see illuminations. Shame the big wheel isn't lit up, because that's normally lit up as well. It's beautiful when that's lit up. But yeah, not lit up today. So this is a tunnel. So gander, shall we?
Good evening, Blackpool. Good evening. We're not missing you.
So yeah, I hope you enjoyed that quick video of the illuminations in the front. It's not much to see, but I thought I'd just show you the main one. The main ones that's here. So yeah, it's so pretty lit up, doesn't it? Yeah. Right. Well, I will catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching.